Hi guys, Fede Ninjani. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video of me just styling my own hair. So, first things first, I section my hair into two, and then I work with the back section. I'm just spritzing my hair with water, and then I'm just running my fingers through my hair. I do this because I have low porosity hair, so that means my hair takes time to absorb water, so I just do that to quicken the process. And then I use my bristle brush to brush through my hair. You want to make sure that your hair is detangled before you can style your hair, so you can just damp it with water and you'll leave in conditioner and detangle it first. So as much as my hair looks funny, it's actually detangled. And then I go over with my milk and honey from Native Child is what I use as my leave-in conditioner. So you want to use so I'm using a styling gel that is water based, so it is preferable to also use a leave-in conditioner that is water based. And both the products that I'm using, I realized I didn't show the styling gel on this part because that's what I'm applying right now, but I'll attach a picture next to it. So the styling gel that I'm using and the moisturizer that I'm using are both water based. How do you tell this? When you look at a product's ingredients, the first three options are going to tell you if the product that you're using is water based. So if you see things like aqua, aloe vera, or just hydrating ingredients, it means that the product is water based. So now that I'm done with the back section, as you guys saw, I just applied the styling gel, ran through my brush, and then tied it into a bun. I'm going over on the front section, and I'm just parting a line in the middle, and I'm using the same gel to make sure that my part or line is neat. And then I am going to just put away the front section of my hair so that I can work with my middle section. So now guys, I have new water bottles that I got, and I realized halfway through that I am still suffering with this water spray when I actually have water bottles. And this is, no, actually I don't realize this now. I'll show you guys when I realize this. So I go over with the Sofnfree styling gel, and this is me realizing that I didn't apply my Native Child cream, but we move. I still applied water, which is good. I didn't work on dry hair. It's also important to work on damp hair because you use less product than you would on dry hair, especially if you have thick 4C hair. You want to work on damp hair if you're going to be using any products, not just the styling gel, just any product in general. So now I am doing the same thing of spritzing my hair into with water, and me realizing that I actually have water bottles. How cute is it? Just look at it, guys. It's so cute. It's available on my website. I'm going to leave the link down below, but I'll also just explain a bit at the end of the video. So I'm going over with water and the Native Child milk and honey cream, and I'm applying it on my hair. And then I go over with the styling gel. So like I said, my hair is already detangled, so you want to make sure you're working with detangled hair because you don't want to now start detangling when you've already applied your styling gel and all of that. Like, you wanna avoid hair breakage at all costs. So if you're one of those people who like to lay down their edges, it would be best that you do so before laying down the hair. So please, if I make errors on this voiceover, forgive me, because I've made a rule that I'm no longer correcting myself when I make voiceovers, because I would spend hours and hours and hours and hours and hours. So now, if I make a mistake, I move. As long as I understand looting teeny or teeny, that's all that matters. So I'm using the brush. As you can see, I was working in sections. I wasn't just slicking down the hair as it was. And I have very thick hair, so it wasn't going to lay down the way that I want to. So it's just best to just, work in sections. Take your time, just take your time. And I'm doing the same thing on the other side as well, just spritzing my hair with water with this cute bottle. And it does the job, guys, because the water spray that I was using initially It was from, I think, Easy Waves. There was a detangling water something on there that had finished, and I just used it as my water bottle. But I would struggle because you have to yes, finger game also lapo just to get your hair wet. So yeah, I got these cute bottles. Let's check them out and other cool stuff on that website. But anyway, as you can see, I'm working in sections. Angivele nje sengizibhasha zonke sezihlangene because angeke zilale. Work in sections. Take your time. If you want your hair to look like you just came out of the salon, you also want to put in the effort that the salon would put on with your hair. So I realized the video where I was doing my edges did not record because my phone died on me. But if you don't know how to layer down your edges, you can just refer to some of the videos that I've done. I've done quite a lot of videos where I lay down my edges, but I'm pretty sure a lot of people know how to lay down their edges. And then I just did my edges. I put on my head wrap overnight, and then I came back to record the next day. A lot was happening the next day, like a lot of things were just failing me, but as in God willing, the hairstyle came out looking nice. Everything worked out at the end. My hair is laid to the gods. It is laid. So anyway, I don't know if I'm gonna do a voiceover or I don't know, but my ring light just died on me right now, and shame, man. The stand was going through the most, eh? It survived. Shame. I'm sad, but I'm not mad. Like, it survived. So anyway, this is the hair that I'm using. It's the Afro puff hair. As you guys can see how big it is. 4C Afro pondo. So it has these two hooks. I'm trying to hurry up because the sun is about to set and I won't have lights. I hope I'm not too close. I feel like I'm too close. But I'm about to be out of the misery of not seeing what I'm doing. It has two hook ends, and then there's this thing which you can adjust. So it depends on whatever hairstyle that you're doing. I really like two side bands, so I have a short video on Instagram. If you follow me on Instagram, you can check out how I did that. So because I was already done before this whole thing failed me, I'm just gonna continue using the one that I'm using. By the way, they are available online. I will leave the link that you can go visit. There's a lot of cool stuff, cool natural hair stuff on there. It's called Hairstory. It's a baby that I am building up, so I really hope that you guys do support. These are the two hook ends that I'm going to place on top of my pondo, and I'm just gonna clip them underneath to hook them, and then I take that adjustable band, I pull it, so you press the button and then you pull, and then I don't like tying it because I feel like it makes my life a little bit difficult when I have to undo it, so I just take it as is and then I wrap it forward. Like, there's so many great things happening for me right now, but at the same time there's like a lot that is just falling apart. But yeah, amongst all things, I'm glad that this one didn't fall apart. So as you guys can see, this is the final look. It's giving formal, it's giving, sophisticated, like it's giving ladylike, man. I want to adjust this, but I'm so scared to touch it. It's gonna fall off. I worked so hard to get it to be this stable. Looks like